Screen 11 minus. It's called Bird of Paradise.
This route had a fun start and then was mostly large-ish pumpy moves that got crimpier at the top. The first move is a balance-oriented move that can be approached from either side, so see what works for you. Also, the red is definitely your friend here. After smearing up the wall to establish the first foot, rocking onto a perch can allow you to more easily reach up for the next handhold. A bit of an unorthodox move here with the foot hand match to lean over towards the gaston, but it worked. Kind of. In hindsight, an inside flag with the right leg probably would have been fine, and for less effort at that. This back flag helps to stabilize against barn dooring on the left foot and hand when releasing the right foot from the step up.